Hi, I'm Rodney Yee. The placement of the head in restorative poses is critical. Whenever the neck is being bound or pushed or stretched, it's not quite right. At the same time, unless you're doing a restorative back bend, the forehead should also be higher than the chin, and the chin higher than the chest. Let me demonstrate this. Sitting in staff pose, lowering yourself onto the plateau of a bolster. Without this pillow, you'll see how my chin is now higher than my forehead. This creates a binding in the back of the neck and maybe too much vulnerability in the throat. This will not create a deep relaxation. In the opposite direction, if you use too much pillow under your head, what I now feel is this stretch and binding in the back of my neck and a crunching in my throat. This also creates a hardness in the body. It creates a flight or fight mechanism in the body. So getting the neck just right is really important. For me in this pose, and everybody is different, a blanket folded so that my forehead is still higher than my chin higher than my sternum, and yet the skin to the front and back of the neck feel neutral. No stretch, no collapse, no overextension. Bending the legs, soles of the feet on the ground, roll to your right side and let your head fall onto your right arm. Continue this release of the neck muscles. Sitting up from your arms and your legs and your pelvis, and then your chest and your head. Finding a good seat. When the head is placed right over the center of the chest, the tip of the tailbone, whatever you're sitting on. The position of the head, even in final relaxation without any props, to a supported shavasana, final relaxation, to a supported cobblers pose. All of these positions, you really have to play with the neck to fine-tune the deep relaxation all around the neck and all inside the head. The position of the head so that the neck is easy is one of the most critical things you do for your student and for yourself. There's a couple of poses, like a restorative back bend, which we'll detail later, that really has the head a little bit dropped back, but it's following the contours of the spine. Thank you.